We sell beautiful houses too, beautiful people who find a place they love with pride. We bring beautiful dreams in view, and beautiful lives made new, helping hearts come home with pride. It's more than walls, and it's more than doors. It's greater than keys in someone's hand. It's the morning light, it's the first good night. It's a feeling everyone can understand. This is their home, this is their home, this is where their hearts reside. It's in every street, it's in every room, it's where every dream comes alive. In the echoes of laughter, memories replay. Each corner holds stories every night and day. From the warmth of the hearth to the quiet shared side, these houses become more than just a